breaking news on this. The father accused of tossing his baby son into the river has been charged with concealment of a human corpse at this time. James Curry, now back on U.S. soil, being held at the 5th Precinct after he was evaluated at a New York City hospital earlier this morning. Authorities say the 37-year-old father fled to Thailand on Monday just hours after he allegedly threw his son's body into the East River. Police say 7-month-old Mason Saldana was discovered by tourists floating in the water under the Brooklyn Bridge on Sunday wearing only his diaper. Detectives have Curry on video picking up Saldana from his mother last Saturday, showing the baby alive when they got to Curry's Bronx apartment. The next day, Curry was seen leaving with a backpack headed toward the East River. The baby's mother reported that 7-month-old baby missing, fearing the worst after seeing news reports. Now, we have learned also additional charges could be coming depending on the outcome of the autopsy, which will also determine the baby's cause of death. The medical examiner should release the findings next week, Dan.